Hey guys, welcome back to another wash day video. Today the star is going to be TGIN's brand new miracle styling water activated curl elongating gel. So without any further ado, let's get this wash day started. First things first, surprisingly, I did not pre-poo on this wash day. My scalp hasn't given me as much trouble now that it's starting to get a little warmer, and honestly, I just wasn't in the mood for all that today. So we are just going to start by hopping in the shower and making sure the thread is getting fully saturated. What you'll even notice is I'm almost like shampooing my hair with just the running water. I really wanted to make sure my scalp was going to get cleansed, that the water was actually reaching my scalp so we can rinse away any of that dead skin, dandruff, and all that gunk off of my hair. Like, I wanted it gone. I wanted a clean slate for this wash day. Once I felt like my hair was saturated to my liking, I actually reached for another cleanser that was already in my shower. So today we're going to use Briogeo's Curl Charisma Rice Amino Avocado and Hydrating Shampoo because I don't think I've talked about this on my channel yet. Now, if you are a kinky, coily, textured, dry hair girly like I am and you've never tried Briogeo products, I would highly recommend starting with their Curl Charisma line. This shampoo in particular is their hydrating shampoo, and if you'll notice on the first cleanse, it looks very low lather, and I think that's because my hair was kind of dirty, but you'll see a difference in the second cleanse. But this shampoo is infused with rice amino acids, avocado oil, and tomato fruit ferment extract, which help to enhance the curl's texture. And on rinse out, your hair will not feel stripped at all. My scalp actually felt soothed because of the oils and things that are actually in this cleanser. And this is the second cleanse that I was speaking about. As you can see, like, there are more suds, more bubbles, more lather to actually cleanse my hair. And now I can actually take the product down my strands and make sure that my strands are also being cleaned. If you are someone who likes the feel of a co-wash but still want to use a shampoo, I would highly recommend this cleanser. And on rinse out, you will see that my hair is so hydrated. It's literally heavy with water. The curls are starting to pop, and it's not that squeaky clean feeling. So definitely, I'm not gonna say 10 out of 10 highly recommend, but I do recommend trying this cleanser out for yourself. Moving right along, we're gonna head into the quote unquote deep conditioning because I'm only gonna condition while I'm in the shower, so it's nothing deep about it. But we are going to be using the heavy conditioner from Pattern Beauty. This is all that I have in my stash. I will say that over and over again until I use all of this conditioner. I actually prefer the intensive conditioner, especially for when I'm doing wash and goes in the shower. And I also want to apologize. I don't know why my camera started fogging up. I didn't turn up the heat, and you would think that the water was stopped getting hot at this point, but I pay extra attention to my problem areas because they tend to be a little dry and frizzy. So really wanted to make sure like the crown and the front of my head was smothered and covered in conditioner because baby, we need all the moisture all the way to do these wash and goes while in the shower. Now that the conditioner has been applied and we're going to let that marinate, I need for you to go ahead and make sure that you have already subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, however you are feeling about it. And if you do decide to join the community, just leave me a little comment and say hello because I enjoy meeting you all down in the comments. Of course, I want to make sure my hair is detangled, make sure I'm getting all that shed hair out. So I'm using my Tangle Teezer under running water because I feel like this is like less tension and I don't feel it pulling on my hair as much. So once I have that fully rinsed out, look at the difference in my hair. That's crazy. We are going to be trying out this Miracle Styling Water Activated Curl Elongating Gel finally. As you can see, it's just a clear gel. It felt pretty thick in my palms. I really enjoyed the fragrance. It wasn't overwhelming whatsoever, but I'm trying this alone Typically, I would use something like Uncle Funky's Daughter Curl Stimulator, but I feel like that lessens the hold, and I wanted to see what kind of hold this product was going to give me on its own. The directions are pretty straightforward. They say on clean hair and drenched wet hair, apply the water-activated Curl Elongating Gel. Use a curl defining brush to ensure even application, air dry or diffuse curls to add more volume and soften. I love the way my hair looks. I do feel like my curls are elongated. Like, this is the length that I like to see my hair when it's soaking wet while I'm doing wash and goes. And I feel like the curl definition is there. So my hair is looking really, really good, and I'm really excited about this product. And you may have noticed that I'm not using a brush or a tool to define my curls. I feel like that frizzes my hair out, so I tend to just let my curls do their own thing and let them be defined on their own. So this is what we're looking like with the product fully applied. I'm gonna sit underneath my hooded dryer and we are going to see what this gives. It's a few hours later, and if I wasn't in the mood to wash my hair, you know I wasn't in the mood to extend this video over a few days. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Now, typically my wash days are a little longer, but there have been plenty of times on my channel where you have seen me do like in shower, 30-minute like wash and goes, an hour like washing style day. So with that being said, you probably already know how I feel about this wash and go. I do have products in my stash that work wonderfully for one product wash and goes. I can get good results from one product on my type hair, like results that I like. Unfortunately, this product is not one of them. Let's start with what I did like. One, I think I've already mentioned this, but I do like the packaging. I love that it comes in this tube. It was just easy to kind of do my wash and go in the shower. Two, I do like that this is botanical based. Typically, I feel like having a botanical based gel works really well on my hair, even if I'm just using it as a base gel. But for today's video, I really was just interested in trying it out on its own. I really like the volume that my hair has right now. Like, I feel like Fred is loud and proud and in charge. And thirdly, I will say that this is strong holding. Like, for real, it definitely has a strong enough hold. And now we can kind of get into like the middle of it, okay? So on my part, I probably used way too much because I am seeing flaking. But like I said, I will take full responsibility for that. I just wanted to make sure that my strands were smothered and covered, and I wanted to make sure my hair was soaking wet. So I probably went a little overboard with that. I could definitely get another 3-4 uses out of this though. That's a pro. I forgot to say that. Oh, one more pro. I'm all over the place. I apologize. I do feel like it was curl elongating. I feel like my wash and go had a little more length than it typically does, like coming out of the shower, because my hair actually, unless it's weighed down with like heavy gels and products, which I like, my hair is going to shrink extremely quickly. Like, my hair wants to be shrunk. So I do feel like it did give that curl elongating that it says that it does. And the definition is good for the most part. And that's probably an application issue because I like doing my wash and goes in the shower, so I don't have to go in and define every curl. But with this product, I still would have to define every curl because as you can see, like, I don't really have like the movement. My hair just kind of looks like as one, if you know what I mean. Even after me stretching it, because this is stretched hair. What else? Oh, y'all, my hair is dry. I do not like the way my hair feels. Once again, it could be too much product, but I was going for a certain result. Now, I know that I didn't use a leave-in conditioner. In the past, I have used strong holding gels for wash and goes in the shower without feeling like I needed to use a leave-in conditioner, because in my opinion, using a leave-in conditioner when I already used a hydrating shampoo and I deep conditioned my hair with a heavy conditioner can lead to having too much moisture in my hair, and that takes away from the hold. I did not want to take away from the hold of this product, so I opted not to use a leave-in conditioner. Now, I feel like I should have. I definitely don't think this is going to last. I'm probably going to wash my hair tomorrow. But I mean, I like the idea. I would say if your hair isn't as dense as mine is, I wouldn't even necessarily say like a looser curl pattern, but yeah, if you have a looser curl pattern and you like strong hold gels, I think you'll like this. I like gels with a cast for my wash and goes. I like to like break the cast later on in my wash and go stage. It just lasts longer, and this has hold without the cast. So if that is your jam, this is for you. So would I recommend this product? Yes, but for Fred, no. But I will try it as a base gel, similar to how I've used other botanical base gels before using harder holding gels. I do want to see what that does, but as far as a one product wash and go, it just kind of misses the mark from my hair and my expectations. But really quick wash day, really quick video, I hope. If you guys have already tried this product out or any of the products from this new line, leave a comment down below and tell me what you thought about those products. I love TGIN, so I was going to try this regardless. But that is all that I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one.